So, friends, welcome to video. And I think I watch two or four. Then, so I think people has been to learn any question. So, to dog was we have two. Then you have been I think so we have not learned that was not. But I think we have you air to tell me that was is not right, but I think you so I was to that is right to tell me for anything you were to yes, but right to he was he is right to what that is right to, but I think was to for that in the for Saul is people how to tell me that was is right anything people solved there we have air to learn, but I think I was to for then so I think people he has to solve slow, but I think not slow yes right, but to what air to tell me so I full watch video so I think we have two another question that is right for so I think he is right to tell me for what you aired so he was to learn that is right to but I think he learned that is right for so I think people he has been solved then people how to so I think how to then what air you anything solved learn letters, but I think what air people solved air to for watch this video form back to dawn for anything like for full watch video then I think people how to solve then the was be happy so I think how air you you air that uh, then people so I think was we have air to so I think was to tell me that in so I think he has been so people but to tell me other question so I think people how to tell their air too so I think he has taken me for that was is right for another question so we have air too for that is right so I think we have happy so people how to tell me that I speak you that then that how air you for what are you that are you then people so I speak English what word to tell me for anything how to tell me then people so full watch this video like and share for uh, that so watch full video for anything how to tell me for anything so solve me people I know me for so do that right to tell me for anything we are learn to then people so I think be happy I think another question so telling me for full watch video I think people how so then what are you uh, solved the was aired another question so letter of uh, the what are you so I think people has been and for that is right so I think people were then so people how to tell me what are you that is air so I think how to tell then people so full watch video let later for. So I think how to much do for then solved me for another so any question for what you how you say their tense for noun pronoun sense negative for active. So I think full watch video what you that so I think like share and so I think comment this video so people how to tell me another question. So he has been to for what you so I think we to tell me for another question. So I think the people the was air two for then I think people so sold and so meet him have so I think people he has been so I for that so was air to so then people air how to for what area that so I think so watch full video for I think is right for anything you air to tell me for you air so tell me you air tell me to for I think we have air we air we was air to for he air to tell me for. So I think people he has so two for then was is right to tell me for anything any question. So comment my video for like and share for then people he has been two that was we air to so I think he has been to so people he has been learned that was is right, but I think he has been I think people see can do this what air you for then so you have air like this video for to that he has been so likely so I think has been to for that was is right then people so I do this is right but I think yes right to it it ends it's for then people how to tell me for anything people so doubt but I think no doubt that is right for anything we air to have for then people so how to l then so I think how to do for this is right but I think is right to I do to you and so people sold and solution this video comment for I think he has been to people how to tell me for I think we have with been to so I think he has been to for that was is right to tell me for anything to that is right yes but right yes but so I think you have been two people there was another so any question so this video my video comment and like this video or share and for 10 people so I think he has been to was air that in the class for anything he was air to for another question so I think bill he has been to want to this. He has been want to this. This is right, but I think yes, right to tell me for I what I to what I to what he that is right. Yes, this is right, but he I what to what for what is you than people. So I think we to tell kid me for tell. So full watch this video. Anything air another question. So we be happy. So I nice. I so nice. Nice cam for so do this work for right to what what I do. So I think people. So the people has been. So I think he has been. So people. Then people. So high is right to for anything the people is right, but yes, right too. For anything he air he is right. That is right. She is right. To I am cam. I am to cam. Cam is to for. Dan is to learn. Learn is to right. Is to me. Is to me for to me. That in the for another. So I think we have to tell it before. So I think he has been to learn that was is right. I think people he has been to talking me for anything. So for I think people has been to this is right to tell me for anything we air two for the was air people. The people was air and so don't to like this video for Dawn for I think people he has been part air to telked me for so I think people has been so anything any question so speak easy